everyone, it's your girl D. I wanted to take a minute to tell you about some updates and season 4. So on the positive tip, I found a place and I want to tell you guys more about my journey. I didn't want to say anything until I had keys in hand, so I'm still waiting to close at the making of this video. And so I need to start preparing to move. And so one of those things will involve me packing up my craft studio. So that's why there will be some interruptions this season coming up. So I plan on calling this season the intermission, and do season 4 later. So if you see a lot of gaps or not consistent craft videos during the week on Sundays, that is why. So I just wanted you guys to give it a head up now about the disruptions that will take place during this season, the intermission season, and hopefully I'll be able to get season 4 started for you around this time next fall. But I just wanted to give you a clear explanation of what's going on. But I do have some things I have been working on, so we should begin the intermission season this September. So thank you guys all for watching and subscribing and joining me on my journey.